ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಹೋಗೋದಾಯಿತು. 1 ಅವರ್ ಲೈಬ್ರರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ದ. ಇನ್ನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಹತ್ರ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ. What are you doing? Done playing? No? Can we go now? Come on, let's go. Smile. Smile. Kucha kucha kade. Smile on. Da. What did you do? What?
They're 3D printing something for me.
You asked.
This is what they're 3D printing for me. They're still not done yet.
Is that yours?
Yeah, this is what they're 3D printing for me.
Oh.
I'll show you when it's done. So we have to come back tomorrow to pick it up, okay?
Okay. Can we go now then?
Have a watch it open?
Daddy's waiting outside.
Okay.
Come on, let's go. So you tomorrow at what time?
Monday. So
Okay.
tomorrow can we go?
What is this one? Turtle?
I actually made 2 more pins. This one I got them correct.
Okay. More pins.
I actually got the wheel. I got the
ಅಟ್ಲೆ ಪಟ್ಕೋ, ಗಟ್ಟಿ ಪಟ್ಕೋ, ಪಡೆಯಕ್ಕ. Smile. You made those?
Yeah.
Good job. Nana, he made something, Nana. It's really interesting.
What did he make?
Show it to Dad.
First, I asked one of the people if I could 3D print something, and they said yes. They said that I could pick up my 3D print tomorrow.
Okay, you already you made a design?
Yeah, it's already printing. I didn't make a design. I just went on the website and picked one out.
Okay.
But yeah, they're gonna print that out. Also, I made these 2 pins.
Oh.
I got the circle wrong. So I just turned it into the mill.
Okay.
Nice.
Chalo, let's go.
Good job, Livia Bangari. Oh, she's feeling sleepy. Good night, Winnie Bangari. Close your eyes.
You guys are done with the laundry, right? Did you drop it
Yeah.
off at home?
Close your eyes, Vinu. No?
So guys, here we have the 3D prints. We're breaking off the pieces from the rack, I think. Yeah. We need these pieces so that we can assemble the dummy 13, 2024 version 10. We have to also use some pliers to remove the supports that were used to 3D print the pieces. So here's a quick time lapse of us removing all the pieces and removing all the bridges before we begin building. So now we have all the pieces taken out. Now I think we just need to remove the rest of the bridges. Also, these are the hands too. Those are all the pieces that we have. Yep. I am a bit sick today because of voiceovering, but yeah. Okay, so my mom and my little sister are now organizing all the pieces together. I think we're gonna start building now. Yeah, we'll start building. Here's one of the pieces that I put into the head. I won't be able to talk about how I'm assembling the pieces as this is going by just so fast, but I'll just give commentary and you can watch all of this building process. So I have the neck here. Now I think we're assembling the, oh wait, no, we're not assembling. Yeah, it's been my, I didn't actually keep my hands in the picture to assemble, but yeah, I think we're starting to work on the arms now. Yep, we've already but yeah, we're starting the rest of the body. We've already attached the body, but yeah. Here we're building the waist that will connect to the legs or the hip. Yeah, this is the underwear, not the underwear, but the hip. Yeah, we're attaching that to the waist. Click. Yeah, sometimes I have to pull it towards me. My dad's gonna help push it in. My mom put on the flash and so we can see. Now we're working on the legs. So this is the piece that we put in before we push it in. Yeah, I always have trouble doing things like this, so I asked my dad for help to push in the pieces. So here we've built like we built the shin and the leg, and now we're gonna attach them together to complete the full leg. After this we're gonna build the feet. We're attaching the leg to the waist, not the waist, the hip. Now I think we're gonna start building the foot. Actually, never mind, sorry. We're building the other foot, and then not the other foot, but the other leg, and once we're done with the other leg, then we will put in the feet. There we've attached the shin and the leg together, and now we're putting it in. Last piece. Okay, now we'll start constructing the feet. At first, when I was building this, I thought it was just going to be some flimsy 3D print, but now that I've completely put it together and the toy is getting used to itself, it's now working much better. Those are the feet that we have. Right there, see my mom put on the flash, and now we're clicking in the feet. At first we found that the foot doesn't really connect to the leg joint, so later we actually put some tape or some super glue on the foot to connect to the leg joint, and it worked. So you might need to do that for your 3D print, unless you've already gotten the like the already bought dummy 13. Okay, now we're starting to build the arm. Actually, we've already built it already. This is the right arm. We're putting it in. Oh, that's the left arm. Never mind. But yeah, we built the arms and now we're putting them into the shoulder. At first, we weren't understanding why my arms weren't moving that far until I realized there were some pieces left. It was actually the shoulder joints. Also, for 3D prints like this, you might need the instruction manual. You might not have a paper copy, but you can still Google it. Here we're trying to realize why it's not moving that much, but then we take it apart again and learn that we need the shoulder part. Actually, I realized that after we're done building the other arm. So I was wondering, hey, why isn't that moving that far? And then I realized I need the other piece. Yeah, there. So there, we've done with the entire build. Now we just need to put the feet back on. After this, in the video, we put it on. But yeah, thanks for watching our video. Make sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe button. Bye!